Hello, good morning everyone. Today our lesson is about measurement. And before everything, one, subscribe. Two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell button. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. Alright, our lesson for today is the introduction of the measurement or its history for grade 7 mathematics, week 1 of second quarter. So from the history of measurement, the idea of measurement dates back to the ancient civilization of Egypt, Babylonian, and China. Through trade and conquest, systems of measurement spread to other parts of the world. The ancient system the Asian system of measurement makes use of the body parts. The basics used by the early Egyptians are cubit, that's the length of the distance from the elbow to the extended fingertip. Digit, the subdivisions of the cubit, supposed to be a finger's breadth. A small plan, the length of the distance covered with the palms of the hand. Okay, so the basic unit used by the early Babylonians is mina, the earliest known unit of weight, and the basic unit used by the early. Okay, so we have the finger, the basic unit of length, Olympic cubit, the equivalent of 2 4 fingers, and talent, the basic unit of weight, metrites, the basic unit of liquid pressure. Okay, guys, here are the um, ancient system. So before, ang ginagamit lang nila ay foot. No? Okay. So here, no? So before, now they are using foot, of course. So 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. No? So because malalaki po kasi ang mga ancient people. And then the palm, okay? So from the pinky up to the yung ano natin hintuturo, no? Then we have digit. So each finger has equivalent digits. And then the span. So from the thumb up to the little finger. Cubit is from the elbow up to the extended finger. Yan, pinakamahaba. Okay? Now, the Chinese system of measurement employ parts of the body such as the distance from the pulse to the base of the thumb. But they usually use chi or dan, so the basic units of weight. Okay, chi is also called dan, the basic unit of weight in ancient China. The chi was created by Qi Huangdi, who became the first emperor of China in 2021 before Christ, and who is celebrated for his unification of the regulation fixing the basic units. He fixed the qi at about 60 kilograms, or that is 132 pounds. Now, modern Shi is equivalent to 71.68 kilogram, or about 157.89 pounds. Another is the Qi or Chang, the basic units of length. The Qi is traditional Chinese unit of length, although it is often translated as a Chinese foot. Its length was originally derived from the distance measured for Qi Kon, or a word made up of the units Qi and Kon refers on the implication of Chang Qi in ancient Chinese astronomical records. The standard measures for grain include its weight and its pitch when struck. This gives the reason why the inclusion of the acoustic dimension in its unique characteristics. Another characteristic of Chinese measure is the use of decimal notation. Okay guys, here are the Chinese unit of measurement. Okay, ito po yung iba-iba. So they use also the balance scale. And this one, no? Before, pwedeng pangsalok ng iba't ibang produkto nila, lalo na yung mga legumes or rice. Ayan yung panukat nila. Okay, so usually ito ginagamit sa kitchen o kaya sa, katulad nitong mga to. So, yung panukat nila sa food, lalo na sa ano nila, sa pagtitinda. Because Chinese is very good in business. Okay. Now, the medieval period of medieval system, the medieval system of measurement was an offshoot of the Roman system, which was a mixture of Babylonian, the Egyptian, and the Chinese system. So, they used libra. Libra is the medieval unit of weight. So, katulad kanina sa unang picture. The Roman mile is the unit of measure for distance with varying number of foot and yard. And the pint or the basic unit for liquid measure. Quart, the unit of dry measure, similar to modern English quart. Okay, guys, ito po yung libra. No? So, and this one is the, okay, no? So, naalala ko yung nanay ko no? Kapag sinusukat niya yung banig na ginagawa niya, she used that one, no? This part. Okay? Right? Next, we have the English system. So, going on a modern. The English system used by Great Britain and its colonies. We have inch. Inch is the length of 3 barley corns. Foot is the length equivalent to 12 inches, of course. Yard is the standard unit of length divided into 3 foot. Okay, so remember, 3 feet is equivalent to 1 yard. The perch or rod is equivalent to 5.5 yards. The acre, that is equivalent to rods wide by 40 rods long. No? Furlong is standardized as 1/8 of a mile. English pound is a troy weight. A vordopus used for good that had to be weighed. Stone is a multiple of English pound. All right, here are the English system, no? So in the English system units, of course, we have the length, the weight, the volume, the speed or velocity for temperature. Okay, guys, no? So please remember, so this is 1 foot. Your thumb is equivalent to 1 inch. 1 yard is equivalent from here, so gitna up to the highest finger. Then 1 cup, 1 gallon. Okay. So the English system common use of measurements, of course, we will study that one by one later. Okay. The metric system. The metric system came about as a result of the French Revolution. By 1799, a new law in France defined the standard units of measure. So a meter is used for length, gram for weight, letter for liquid volume, R for area, stair for volume. Alright guys, here are the metric system. Okay, so of course we have the ruler, the meter caliper, yan, yung ginagamit ng mga karpintero, the medida or the, what do you call this one? No, ginagamit ng mananahe, no? Of course, to measure temperature, we have this, and to measure the ampere, no? And then, here, no? So, these are the common, no? Actually, until now, they are still using. So, we are on the modern, no? Still, we are in the metric system. So, now, and then, the international system. The system international, the units, or SI, was established in October 1960 by the 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures in Paris. A meter is a distance traveled by light and vacuum in 1/299,792,458 seconds. Example, a door is usually about 2 meters high. Okay? Kilogram is the mass of the cylinder of platinum iridium alloy. Example, a brisk oven has a mass of about 1 kilogram. Second, the duration of 9,192,631,770 cycles of the change in energy level of the cesium atom. Example, a wink of an eye is about a second. Okay? So the international system, again, is the continuation. We have ampere. Ampere is a magnitude of the current which, when flowing through a parallel wires, a meter apart, results in a force between the two wires of 2 times 10 raised to -7 Newton for each meter length. So example, a 100-watt light bulb requires about 1 ampere of current at 100 volts. Alright? Question? So, here are the international system most commonly used. Now, until now, we have the customary and the international system units. Of course, mass, kilograms, and pound. Alright? So, we have letter and quart, so for capacity. And for length, we use foot and yard and inches. And for, we have also decimeter. So, the centimeter and the isa-isahan po natin yan, no? And for temperature, of course, we use thermometer. Alright? Guys, no? For questions and clarification, just write it at the comment section. Don't forget to remember, gratitude is the best attitude. This is your teacher, Faye. See you again. Remember to subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to push the notification, no? And like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. And watch more. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much.